Hi everyone. Today our topic is gravitation. The first man who came up with the idea of gravitation was Isaac Newton. It was an evening of 1665 when he tried to solve the mystery why planets revolve around the sun. Suddenly an apple fell from the tree under which he was sitting. The idea of gravity came in his mind. He discovered not only the cause of falling apple, but also the cause that make the planets revolve around sun and the moon around Earth. Newton concluded that the force which causes an apple to fall on the Earth and the force which keep the moon in its orbit are of same nature. He further concluded that there exists a force due to which every body of the universe attracts every other body. He named this force the force of gravitation. Law of gravitation. Everybody in the universe attracts every other body with a force which is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between their centers. Consider two bodies of masses m1 and m2. The distance between their centers is r square as shown in figure. According to law of gravitation, F is directly proportional to m1 and m2. F is inversely proportional to r square. Combining above equations we get F is proportional to m1 meter 2 by r square. F is equal to gm1 meter 2 by r square. Here g is the constant of proportionality, known as gravitational constant. Its value is 6.67 multiplied 10 raised power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Due to small value of gravitational constant, the attraction between object is very small, and we do not feel it. Gravitational force is a mutual force. It means if m1 exert force on m2, m2 also exert a same force on m1, but they are in opposite direction. Law of gravitation and Newton's third law of motion. It is noted that m1 attract m2 towards it with a force F, while mass m2 attracts m1 towards it with a force F of the same magnitude but opposite direction. This is consistent with the Newton's third law of motion, which states that to every action there is always equal but opposite reaction. Gravitational field. The region of space surrounding a body in which another body exerts a gravitational force of attraction. The direction of gravitational field around Earth is towards its center. Gravitational force is a non-contact force. The gravitational force becomes weaker and weaker as we go farther and farther away from Earth. Numerical. The gravitational force between two identical spheres kept at a distance of 1 meter apart is 0.00673 Newton. Find their masses. The gravitational force F is given by F is equal to g m1 meter 2 by r square. For finding the mass, arrange the equation Fr square by g is equal to m1 meter 2. Putting values in above equation, the mass of each sphere is 10,000 each. Thanks for watching us.